Laura Segura, Sofía Garza, y Linda Sepulveda. And we are from the group 108. And we are going to present the GlowsticksExperiment.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind.
The materials we're going to use are glow sticks, scissors, hot water, cold water, a measuring syringe, and 2 chemicals. These 2 chemicals are hydrogen peroxide and diphenyl oxalate combined with the fluorescent dye that when it reacts, it produces light.
When a reaction creates light, it is called chemical.
The reaction takes place when mixing the solution is a release of energy in form of light.
We use 4.6796 grams of hydrogen peroxide in order to create this reaction. To convert it to moles, we use the formula, which are the grams of hydrogen peroxide used. We divide by the mole mass of this reaction and we get 0.135 moles of hydrogen peroxide. In order to obtain the same grams and moles of these reactants, we use the same conversion factors seen here. From this reaction, we have those 2 products. Chemistry takes this product, which is peroxy, which decomposes to carbon dioxide. Here we have the formula that shows that 0.135 moles of peroxy times 2 moles of carbon dioxide divided by 1 mole of peroxy gives you 0.27 moles of carbon dioxide. This reacts with fluorescent dyes to comply the phase chemiluminescence.
Usually when we have closet, we do not see what's inside of it. It comes of 2 layers. Inside the plastic tube there is a transparent solution that's called hydrogen peroxide. And inside this plastic tube there is another glass tube. This glass tube has the solution diphenyl oxalate and it's what gives the solution a color. Then when you snap the glow stick, these 2 solutions mix and cause the reaction.
And this is what happens when reactions are combined.
You can see now the chemical formula of the reaction. As we said before, we had diphenyl oxalate and hydrogen peroxide. What happens is that hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the diphenyl oxalate. Therefore, the type of reaction is an oxidation reaction. This mixture produces phenyl and a peroxy acid. Then, the peroxy acid suddenly decomposes into carbon dioxide and releases energy. After that, carbon dioxide interacts with the dye and produces light. Here, light is expressed as hV. This is because it is the Planck-Einstein equation that states the relation between energy and the frequency of its electromagnetic waves. As we stated in our thesis, what we expected of this reaction was the release of energy in form of light. And that was exactly what happened when we combined the 2 chemicals.
A factor that influences the reaction is temperature. This is the hot water and this is the cold water. The higher the temperature, we mean the hottest. The light is brighter but it lasts less. If the temperature is cold, the light shines less, but it lasts longer. And this is what happens when we change from cold temperature to hot temperature. Here we can see that the density is different because the solution doesn't mix with water.
Glow sticks have a lot of uses. They were firstly made for camping activities so they could be light at night, but then we have come to recognize them principally at parties as source of entertainment. There are glow sticks as bracelets, necklaces, rings, and more. Without a doubt, glow sticks have come to represent a very known chemical reaction.
Sí, yo estoy
No manches.
Ok, a ver, hazlo.
Ya. No manches.
¡Velo! Rápido, más rápido, más rápido, más rápido, más rápido. Se ve como una estrella. O sea, cuando se fusiona en estrella. A ver, déjame moverle. ¡Beso! Está súper padre. Ve las bolititas. Ok.
Wow, I'm having so much fun.
Stressing my mind.
Sophie, stop it.
I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play.